Welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best charcoal grill portable. We have spent hours researching and have carefully chosen these top 5 best charcoal grill portable based on criteria such as quality, cost, and longevity. To find out more information and current pricing, please check the links provided in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Number 1. Outsunny 14 Iron Tabletop Charcoal Grill. An introduction to the Outsunny 14 Iron Tabletop Charcoal Grill. With its 223 square inches of grilling space, you can cook up to 4 burgers and 4 hot dogs on this grill, making it ideal for outdoor entertaining. It also features a warming rack to keep food warm and preserve taste while it's cooking. This grill is durable and can withstand temperatures of up to 600 degrees, thanks to its heat-resistant handles and enamel coating. Even better, this charcoal grill can be taken anywhere you go and put away just as effortlessly when you're done using it. You may customize the cooking experience by adjusting the temperature and the air vent. The Outsunny 14 Iron Tabletop Charcoal Grill is ideal for your outdoor cooking needs because it is portable, lightweight, and versatile. Number 2. Char-Griller 2137 Outlaw Charcoal Grill. The Char-Griller 2137 Outlaw Charcoal Grill is an excellent choice for outdoor grilling. Made of powder-coated steel, this high-end charcoal barbecue is suitable for both high-temperature grilling and low and slow smoking. A whopping 38 hamburgers may be cooked at once on this charcoal barbecue, thanks to its generous 950 square inches of total cooking space. There includes a 725 square inch main cooking area and a 225 square inch warming rack, cast iron cooking grates, and an adjustable fire grate simplified grilling, while bottom shelf, wheels, and front and side shelves offer convenient places to store the barbecue grill tool hooks that come with the grill. The dual dampers and thermometer allow for precise temperature regulation, and the removable ash pan makes cleanup a pleasure. Taking your BBQ skills to the next level is as easy as picking up the Char-Griller 2137 Outlaw Charcoal Grill and getting to work. Number 3. Weber Smokey Joe 14-inch Portable Grill. The Weber Smokey Joe 14-inch Portable Grill is all you need to turn your outdoor cooking sessions into something to remember forever. Whether you're going camping, tailgating, or just to the beach, this portable charcoal BBQ will serve you well. As a result of its generous size, this grill can accommodate up to 5 burgers at once. The porcelain enameled lid and bowl of this Weber charcoal barbecue trap heat inside the grill and resist rust and peeling. The dampers are easily adjustable for precise temperature control, and the plated steel cooking grate retains heat and cleans up quickly. Weber Smokey Joe 14-inch Portable Grill is a terrific way to take your grilling skills outdoors. This Weber portable charcoal BBQ will greatly enhance your next vacation to the beach or campground. Number 4. Weber Performer Deluxe Charcoal Grill. When it comes to outdoor cooking, nothing beats the quality and ease of use of the Weber Performer Deluxe Charcoal Grill. You can have your favorite meals on the grill in a matter of minutes thanks to the electronic touch and go ignition system, which is strong and efficient and runs on propane gas. You'll have plenty of room to grill up a delicious feast in the 363 square inches of cooking space provided by the black painted cover and 22-inch diameter porcelain enameled bowl. With its cutting-edge one-touch cleaning mechanism and detachable, large-capacity aluminum ash catcher, this product makes cleanup a breeze. The built-in lid thermometer and detachable LCD timer provide for perfectly cooked meals every time. It's lightweight, just 91 pounds. Barbecue packs all the tools you need to make outdoor cooking a pleasant experience. In addition, the free-built app features 3D interactive assembly instructions that make setup a breeze. The Weber Performer Deluxe Charcoal Grill will allow you to cook more tasty meals. Number 5. Char-Griller 2424 Tabletop Charcoal Grill. Here's the Char-Griller 2424 Tabletop Charcoal Grill, the pinnacle of blending classic grilling with contemporary ease. This heavy-duty grill has a cast iron cooking grate and a steel body, and its primary cooking area measures 250 square inches. This potent barbecue can be converted from a grill to a side firebox or used as a tabletop, and it features an offset for Texas-style smoking. The sliding drawer gives simple access to the coal, and the retractable ash pan makes cleanup a breeze. The Char-Griller 2424 also features an easy dump ash bin and a keep cool hood handle. While hosting barbecues in the backyard, you'll want to use this high-quality grill. The Char-Griller Pro Deluxe, Wrangler, Outlaw, and Duo can all use this as a side firebox, and it fits flawlessly with each of these grills. Char-Griller Outsunny 2424 Tabletop Charcoal Grill, available now in sleek black, promises an unforgettable barbecue experience. Thanks for watching. We're glad you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and share it with your friends. It would be a great help for us. Also, please don't forget to subscribe our channel for latest updates. We value your feedback. Please feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. See you in our next video.